If you're looking to build your watch time hours so you can become monetized faster, you're not going to like this video at all, but I'm going to share it with you because it works. And I'm going to prove to you that it actually works. So today's video, we're going to talk all about how to build your watch time hours faster. And not only will you be building your watch time hours faster, but you're going to be building a community, a relationship with your viewers. So in the event that you want to sell stuff in the future, it's going to be so much easier for you. We're also going to learn what pays more in AdSense, live streaming or uploading just a regular video. I have a channel I created 4 years ago that was monetized, and we'll go into analytics or whatever. And it was very interesting to see the difference between the analytics between a live stream and a regular upload. So there's not much on live streaming on YouTube if you Google it, or at least that I found. So yeah, I thought it'd be interesting to talk about. And then we'll go into reasons like why you should live stream, and then should we do vertical or landscape? We'll get into all that. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and I forgot to mention, tomorrow's video upload is going to be all about how to make money from YouTube before you are even monetized. So if that is interesting to you, definitely subscribe and turn on your notifications. So this is a channel 4 years ago. I was monetized. So here I have, so what we're talking about today is live streaming. I know you don't want to go live on YouTube. I know how intimidating it is, but I can promise you, once you get in the habit and once you feel comfortable doing it, I promise you, you will not regret it. This is a channel that I created 4 years ago, all about unemployment during the pandemic. As you probably know, unemployment was an absolute nightmare. And if you were a part of that, if you were someone that was receiving unemployment, it was impossible to find out exactly what you had to do in order to collect any money. So I saw that there was a need out there. You know, at the time my husband was laid off, so I was already researching how he could get paid. And I thought to myself, why don't I create a YouTube channel? And little did I know that this channel would just absolutely explode. Like this video here, it was December 26th, 2020. It's a live stream that got 10,000 views. Now, do I expect my live streams on YouTube, on this channel here, to get 10,000 views? No, because I don't even have 100 subs, right? But what I can tell you is these are steps that I took that helped me to become monetized on this channel, 4 years ago. Because, and we'll go over the analytics, but what I want to do is compare a video that I did live that got 10,000 views, and we're going to compare it to just a regular video that I uploaded. So we're going to get into the analytics and we'll compare everything. So here is a regular upload that I uploaded. Okay, so this was like about 7 months after I was monetized, just for context. So it got around 10,000 views. So for this video, okay, it was 16 minutes long. And just so you know, if you can, once you become monetized, you want to create your videos at least over 8 minutes long. And in fact, that can be another video that I could do, because I thought of something that I totally messed up. Okay, so this video got 10,000 views. Watch time hours were almost 700 watch time hours just with 10,000 views. 69 subs, and then I was able to earn $131 from this video. That took maybe like an hour or so to create. So pretty good, right? Especially 10,000 views. I think that's pretty good as far as like the watch time hours. Now, the reason why it's you know, the first, the reason why it's such a like steep hill and then it just declines is because this topic is trending. And when you do trending topics, obviously you're going to get a lot of views at first, but then after a while, it's just going to die down because there's new news coming out. Okay, so that is just a regular upload. So let's compare it to the live stream. Okay, so this one got, oh wait, I think I hit the wrong one. All right, so this is a little confusing. So here we have that the number of views is around 10,000, right? So then when I go to the analytics, this video has gotten 3,000 views since it was published. So that means it got 6,000 views while I was on the live stream. But then after it was published, I only got 3,000 views. Okay. So watch time hours, which I'm assuming would be both people watching it during the live stream as well as after, 22 subscribers. And then I only made $62.88. So, and this was a live stream that was 2 hours long. When I went on this live stream, I had so many people asking me questions that it was hard for me to even get off the live stream. And in fact, I felt horrible getting off the live stream because I knew that people still had questions, right? So yeah, let me try to figure out how to do these side by side and then we can compare the stats. Okay, so we can get a couple things from this. Number one, what pays more, doing a live stream or uploading a regular video? I think the answer is clear, right? Because in this video, this was the regular upload, right? $131 versus 62. And then you look at subscribers, right? The regular upload got 69 subscribers, whereas the live stream only got 22. And then as you can see, the watch time hours is significantly higher as well as, well, yeah, the number of views was the same. So one of the reasons why the income was higher on the regular upload is because I had the ability to place more ads in the video. And any video that you do that's over 8 minutes long, you can put as many ads in the video as you want. Obviously, you don't want to do it every minute because that would just be annoying and then people would just leave. Now, when you do a live stream, your viewers do have the opportunity to give you what's called super chats. And what that is kind of like a tip, right? So YouTube, gosh, I can't remember the percentage that they take from that. It might be, it's either 50 to 70%. I have to look on that. But so there is an opportunity to make more money if your viewers do give you super chats during the live stream, which could obviously surpass, AdSense for sure. But obviously, since people were trying to collect their unemployment, they're not going to be tipping me, which I totally, totally understand. Now, what live streaming does that regular upload doesn't is building that community, right? And if you are going on YouTube to sell products and services or maybe coaching or what have you, then I do encourage doing a live stream, maybe even if it's just once a week, simply because it's an easy way for your viewers to really get to know, like, and trust you. And most importantly, it is a way for you to really get to know what your audience is struggling with. So then you can create content around that in future videos, right? Because there's no better way to get to know your viewers than a live stream. People can leave comments on your videos, but you're really not getting that dialogue that you might need to be able to deep dive into their thoughts And again, the goal of doing a live stream is to get content ideas and really get to know what people are struggling with, because that will totally make, like, that will change your content. That'll explode your channel right then and there, because when people get started on YouTube, they typically create videos that they want to create. But when you create like an educational type channel, it's not about you, it's about your viewer. And if you want your channel to explode, then you want to give what your viewer wants, right? And what is going to help them. So, as I mentioned on this slide, when you do go live, should you go live vertically or landscape? On this channel, when I went live, I always went live landscape, just kind of like how you're seeing this video now. However, YouTube recently released, well, I don't even know when they released it. I guess it was when they released shorts, or I don't even know. But you can actually go live on YouTube vertically, similar to TikTok. And what that does, the vertical video will be shown on the shorts feed. So you have two options. Number one, you can do vertically and show up on the shorts feed, or you can go live landscape and show up on YouTube through regular the long form video feed. So the question is, which way do you want to go? I've heard of recently that they're really pushing vertical live streams. But for me personally, I'm always so used to the landscape, and that just feels more comfortable for me. Monday, I'm going to start to go live at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time to get your questions answered and share updates and all that fun stuff. So I'm debating, do I want to go vertically, landscape, or should I do both? What I on my phone, I think I can go live vertically, and then on my computer, I can go live landscape. So I might tackle both. And actually, you know what? I think I will, because when I start to go live, not many people are going to hop on anyway. And then what I can do is kind of compare the results. So that would be, oh, that would be fun. And then what I can do, maybe next week, I'll create a video comparing vertical and landscape, right? Oh, that'd be so cool. I love when I come up with ideas when I'm doing videos, because it just makes it more fun. So yeah, I think that's a great idea. I'll try to do both. It'll be interesting, but hey, why not? Hopefully I can my experimentations can be beneficial for you. So that said, like I said, tomorrow's video is going to be all about how to make money from YouTube before you're even monetized. Because wouldn't it be nice to make a couple $1,000s, even maybe, before you even get 1,000 subs? That'd be kind of cool. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.